Take a look at this great 2015 C300 from Mercedes-Benz. It's 100% brand new. They've redesigned it to the max. Let's talk about this one specifically. So first off, you can see the great new front end. It's got this little teardrop design in the headlights, which is fantastic. And then the signature new Mercedes-Benz dropping line that comes from that headlight and drops through the rest of the vehicle. You're gonna start to notice that in all of the different Mercedes here over the next few years. It all started out with our 14 CLA and S-Class, and now it's integrated in the brand new 2015 C-Class. So specific to this model, this one comes in palladium silver, really nice metallic color. This one's got the AMG Sport styling package, so 18-inch AMG 5-spoke wheel. You get a little extra body in the front. And the interior, I'll show you a couple things in there that are specific to the sport styling as well. Now, the C's always been kind of called the Baby S, and that kind of carries over as well. These taillights really look exactly like the new S-Class, and it's just a really clean look. Of course, 4MATIC here in badging. That's our all-wheel drive system, so you're always going to get around great in our Minnesota winters. Now, they've extended this car almost 4 inches, most of which you'll see in the trunk space and also in the back seat. You still have flip folding seats back here, but there's also a pass-through down the middle. So really, it's going to be more of a 40-40-20 split opposed to the normal 40-60. Let's shut that down. You can see the great dual exhaust back there. Let's get a close-up of this 18-inch wheel. Looks great. Inside we got MB Text, which is a really strong synthetic. It looks, feels, acts just like leather, but it's more durable. This one also comes with keyless go, which is now part of the premium package. Before it was always a standalone option. Now, one of my favorite upgrades they've made is this open pore black ash wood. It's fantastic. You can see all the dials are just really rich compared to the C-Class before. That's the major change you'll see. This is a much more luxury than it ever has been in the past. You can see this has a full panorama roof, which is really nice, especially for us tall guys. Really get a good view there. And your passengers in the back seat get a little light as well. But you can see this black ash pour that just runs throughout. Just screams elegant. You got a great navigation screen here, which is very high definition. I've got it in 3D mode right now, so you can really see the area nicely. See the styling that runs through here. Got a great new Mercedes-Benz clock. And a really cool feature here, the touchpad. So you can navigate everything on the screen there with a touch here, just like your smartphone or iPad, whichever. There's also this agility select, which is really cool. You can change shift points in the engine, tighten things up a little bit, depending on how you like to drive. There's even an individual mode that you can change, makes things even more to your liking. Now, we talked about the sport styling on the outside. Interior-wise, we've got this great flat bottom wheel. I mean, this is like race car stuff. Great paddle shifters here as well. And you can see that they've just made this steering wheel a lot easier to use. So there's a home button here. I can get to my main screen of information, run through that very simply on the steering wheel. This thing comes with all kinds of safety, all kinds of convenience, and you've even got Bluetooth for phone and audio purposes. Very easy, unbelievable new C-Class. You have to see this thing to believe it. Come take a look at it at Sears Imports. We're here in Minnetonka, Minnesota. Also, check out our website, SearsImports.com.